dare you? Adam, see this.
Hello.
Madness. JAPFEST today, yeah? It's gonna be a mad one.
Yeah, 100%.
That's mad. That's beautiful, that is. Like the first meet before the car show.
Oh, it's a wagon, yeah, that's sick.
So many Evos. Live, man.
That's running like 500-600.
So many.
I love that blue in the Evo.
Evo land. Best cars in this show. We're on the way to JAPFEST, yeah? The queue's mad. We'll ask him.
People go, what? Yeah, this is the
Quite busy today. Right, so we landed in JAPFEST. We're gonna see some of the cars. It's gonna be a mad one today. That is mad, right? How dare you? Konnichiwa. Those are sick, yeah. That's my favorite S15 already. Nice rims with budget tires. A nice car though. Nice little mod, such a 6 car. 180S6. Madness out here. Alright, proper busy today. What's this one in?
At 941.
And how much did you spend on this?
This one was 16 grand.
But what made you get the Skyline?
I raced one and it beat me and I went, I want a Skyline.
These Skylines are mad. That is next level. Best in the Evo game. There we go. That looks so clean underneath.
no fuel pump, yeah.
It's all out of the car, man. Oh, Sashi's cut up. I'd say that's the best RX-7. Devil Z, the yellow version. This is the Evo we need to build. Can you get your dinner off it? Oh my god. Yeah, that's like Evo weight
1120,
what's it running power wise?
360.
Honda NSX.
Fit there, the camera's too high, that takes the engine 5 degrees that way.
Man, I learned something new today. His favourite Pokemon's Pikachu. This video you guys mentioned about a 260 brake NA EG6. Same colour, but this one's boosted, yeah? We gotta do a video of a boosted EG. If anybody's got a boosted EG, hit me up. Hit me up, cuz. Hooligan. We went on Silverstone 2 years ago with the Skyline. It's good weather today. Telling you straight. Noodles. Set up to a drift track. V-Specs R34 GTRs. Yeah. V-Specs. Madness. Big S13 right here. Ooh. Madness. Definitely want one again. Beautiful car. As far as the eye can see, there's just too many Skylines. I can't film everything in this video. DC2, an S15 right here. This is like by far one of the best experiences. Nice chaser here. Green with bronze wheels. Charlton got himself a nice chaser. Adam, see, let's
Hello,
do.
I'm following my ears. There's some content happening.
Go on.
We're gonna go get it.
Let's
I'm not gonna run.
Go on. It's not even a turbo.
It's gotta be.
That's not even a turbo. It's just a 1.6 petrol. In the Supra, man. It's a tank. Need some more NAS. This is at every show. This is. Two Paul Walker Supras. How long have you owned this for?
7 years, I think.
How long have you been doing drifting?
I've been back to it now for a good 6 years, I think.
If you've got the car already, I've got a similar car.
Yeah.
How do I get onto the track like how you do?
Have you done any drifting?
I've done drifting.
Yeah.
I've practiced in the streets,
Yeah,
car park.
yeah.
And
But then you got to go to, it's totally different. And on the streets is nothing like I've done. We've all done it. For the drift days at Teesside. And
Are these guys only accepted based on experience?
yes, here.
So how will they know that you are capable?
Because we've been here for years doing it, we compete every year. You know, so
BDC.
used to be BDC. I've been to Ireland. You know, we go all over. We're going Germany this year. We're doing Ireland again this year.
How do you fund all this?
Building up so that you get sponsors, which is just doing a lot of media, getting a lot of followers. But you've always got to remember with sponsorship, it's what you can give them. Do you know what I mean? You've got to be able to give them something. They've got no reason to just give you money to go and do your hobby.
Yeah, of course.
So, you know, I'm lucky, but I've been doing it a long time. And it was probably only about 3 years ago I started getting the real serious sponsors. And now I'm quite lucky. Like, the funny thing is, you don't have to win to be well sponsored. You just have to be good with media, and you know, you have to be obviously reasonable, but you just have to put yourself across well. Like, you know.
Is it R154 gearbox?
No, I got a Quaife in it, sequential.
Oh, thanks so much for your time.
No, thank
I really
you. Nice
appreciate
to talk to you.
Maybe one day I might see you on
Yeah,
the track.
maybe.
One day. Thank you.
Enjoy yourself.
Take care. So they've all got trailers to trailer their cars. That's what we've got one as well. We're gonna get there one day. This ain't nothing like Mexico. This is like real life. Safety cars at M5.
I bet it's still off.
Never seen a clean S14 in my life. How long did it take you to build this?
6 years.
Man,
Yeah,
very
it's
nice.
first year this year.
How much budget-wise did it cost you to do this? Roughly?
No idea.
Oh,
I don't know. I don't want to know.
How much is it running? Around 400?
374 it made the other week.
Is it on bags?
Yeah, yeah. It's quite comfortable actually.
Oh.
Near Birmingham, man.
Birmingham?
Yeah, man.
Keep safe though, yeah?
Yeah, man. Respect, bro.
Alright, bro. Come on, man. They got someone?
How can I?
Man, this Adam? It just is the same. Because Evo. We're now back in the ends now. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Look after your family. Take care of yourself. I'll see you guys next video. Farewell, dear Hoodstigs.